Hey guys, Joe from Prep in the Woods here, and I just want to give you a look of what this month's Christmas Grim Workshop monthly subscription box is. So I paid $20 for this, which is about £16, and this month there's a past, present and future theme. So the future one is the case here, so you get to put I think 7 cards in that one. Then you get a how to clean a fish card, which is also a novelty playing card. So you get 2 of those, one for snares and one for cleaning a fish. And then in the past one you get a dog tag one, which is a dog tag chain silencer with some fish hooks, and I believe that's going to be sewing needles, not sewing needles, medical needles, or just needles in general really, with a chain. And then you get the present one, which is a Grim Surf and Turf card. So it's small spearhead for both land and water. The small flat spears can be combined into a broad head for small game spear, and the jigs are perfect for spearing a fish and other game that you don't want to slip away. And that's what the card says, and you do get some information cards with it. But I just want to throw this out there. I did pay for this, they didn't give it to me, but yeah, I have to try it out soon, especially the fishing stuff, because I have a few rivers over here, so as long as they don't break my balls about it, I like to video that and see that in action. But just a quick one about Grim Workshop. Thanks guys for watching, and I'll catch you next video. Bye.